Hey, what is up everybody? It's your boy Sean. We are back with another Prema video. Right now we are the F2 team, joining me and Mick in today's special of making pizza. So check it out. Yeah.
So now we're trying to make it round and big.
Man.
I need pomodoro. Sean.
Bravissimo!
Can I eat this? È la farina, no?
Farina, sì, c'è tanta farina.
Troppo.
Troppa. Moment.
Okay, just touched it.
Bravo.
We're now, after I think our second try, quite close to getting the pizza out of the oven. Sean's just went in, so it looks really fresh. Mine looks a bit cooked already, so not long till we take it out. It's okay, that's how a pizza should be. It gets hot. It is hot. Cheers, bro.
If you would rate your pizza, what would you rate it? 7?
5, come on, it's average.
It's average.
It's
I think
average.
this one's a bit dry. I think this took more time. So
Yours was more in the oven, but yours is a bit better because the crust is harder.
Yeah,
Mine is
yeah.
a bit too soft, look. See? Okay.
it's on
There,
the touch. You know?
there it is. We have the guy who
So
cooks.
guys, let us know what you think, if you like this or not, and let us know which pizza you think is better. Comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.
Do you want to speak that again with microphone?
No,